Okay, good morning. We're going to learn the product rule, and we use the product rule when we're going to multiply two different elements together. So you can see here we have x squared plus 6 cubed, and that's all multiplied by 2x minus 9. So the tool we use when we want to differentiate two elements being multiplied is the product rule. Now, we have the rule here with the notation du dx, which is finding the derivative of u. This will make a little bit more sense in a moment. So we'll call that u dash. And u plus, so dy dx is equal to v times u dash plus u times, here we're deriving v with respect to x. So this is the derivative of v. Okay, so I call this Voov. Use Voov. What does Voov mean? What are the v's and the u's? Okay, so you can see here when we multiply two terms or two elements, we call one u and one v. So let's call this one u and the second one v. So we go let u equal x squared plus 6, and that's all cubed, and we let v equal 2x plus 9, the part in the second bracket. Good morning, my computer's woken up as well. Okay, so let's differentiate this part, and we're going to have to use the chain rule. So let's go for the outside. That'll be 3 lots of x squared plus 6 all squared multiplied by 2x. And v dash, sorry, they didn't line up very well, I should have brought it across a bit further. V dash is going to be equal to 2. So all I've done is differentiate each of the elements. U, I've used the chain rule, and I've got the differentiation of u. And v is 2x plus 9. I've got the differentiation of v, which is 2. Now we just put it into this Voov rule. So dy dx is going to be equal to v. V was this bit. It's just plug and play, don't panic. V times u dash, which is, now I'm going to just neaten this up. 3 times 2x is 6x. X squared plus 6 all squared. Plus, what have I got now? U here, the original u, x squared plus 6 cubed times v dash, which is 2. So I can write the 2 out the back, but I'm just going to know that I would bring it to the front, 2 lots of this. Now, I have a common factor here of x squared plus 6. So I could bring it out the front, although, hang on, I've got, what have I got here? 2x plus 9. I've got 6x. I have a common factor of 2 lots of x squared plus 6. So if I took, so there's one in this side before the plus, and there's one in this side before the, sorry, one here after the plus, one here before the plus. So let's take that out. If I take this common factor of two lots, because there's a 6 there and there's a 2, so I'm bringing that to the front. 2 lots of x squared plus 6. Now I've taken 2 lots of x squared plus 6 out of here, so I'm left with 3x times 2x plus 9 there, plus 1. If I take this element out, sorry, what's this? This was all squared. Oh, and I've got one of them left. So at this end I am ending up with x squared plus 6. Let's just start there.